Oh, it's so easy, right?
Well, they always break coming off, but I got pretty good at taking them off.
That's why I'm coming to you, man. Look, Uncle Jack has this special tool. So how's your new job?
Very good.
Very good, huh?
Very good.
So what's your schedule like? Is it better than before?
Yeah, I just work early morning now.
Okay, and then you don't have to do extra like shoveling snow and next other things, right?
Nope.
Okay, that's free. It looks like you have a quite a young core, you know, like a very young people, right, in the team.
Yeah, they're all very young.
Not a tire inflation kit. ECU. Yeah, that's quite interesting.
So what I will do quick.
What is that? Query.
There you go. It's quite interesting. Yeah. It has like this part you can move in and out. I don't know what that is, but we'll find out later. This part. Very well made.
What is that?
It's a deer.
Oh, not too bad. It's a few leaves in there.
Nah.
Okay.
They never get too dirty.
Yeah, so the turbo battery is disconnected right there. That's the battery itself right there. Pretty clean. There's only one way, right? The cable is going.
Yep.
So.
Make sure they're all tight.
Voila! There you go.
Label.
Wow.
So here's all your here's all your information, your full self-driving computer,
Intel app.
Intel Atom. So we'll do a software reinstall.
Wait, but now they use what, AMD, right? Is that?
Huh?
The what?
The new ones are
Yeah?
AMD.
Okay.
What's that dropping? What's that dropping?
It's the snow dripping. Because it's melting. It's warm in here.
Request in progress. Software reinstall request in progress.
No, it's melting.
Oh, so it's contacting the server?
Yep.
Okay, so downloading the installation pack.
Yeah, so it might take a few minutes.
Yeah.
What's up? I'm gonna go put your 12 volt on and I'm gonna put it in service mode.
Awesome. Wow, this is so quick, Jack.
Does Uncle Jack fix all?
Here you'll see updating electronic control units. You'll actually, the one you're gonna want to see, it'll do saying updating drivetrain unit.
What is that? That's what.
Oh, it's a logo. It's a spider. It's a logo.
Electronic control unit, that's the charging port. Look at that, CC adapter enabled. Cool. Okay, that's a security device.
Yep. Yeah, so nobody can steal it.
Why is it showing blue though? I thought it was supposed to be green
It's
though.
starting it up.
Okay, green.
And we're charging.
Yeah. It was so quick. Quicker than my CCS car. 22% SLC. Yeah.